Hi everyone! In today's video, we'll give you a nice and simple recipe to create a coffee cocktail that you can easily make at home or in your coffee shop. This drink is inspired by the flavor of the coffee that we are currently using. It's a Panamanian espresso with great sweetness and flavor notes of pineapple. We are going to add all the ingredients into a shaker full of ice and then shake for at least 10 seconds before serving. The ingredients are 30 ml of rum, 35 ml of pineapple juice, 15 ml of coconut milk, and then our double espresso. Shake vigorously for 10 seconds and then serve in a glass full of ice. Recommend enjoying this drink in the sun.